In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a piece of text into a clickable link inside your design. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you have access to all your projects and features. A quick tip: if you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one where your assets are stored to avoid confusion later. Once you're in, look to the left panel. You can either open something from your stuff if you want to add a link to an existing project or start fresh. For this tutorial, go ahead and click Start New Design. You'll be prompted to set up your canvas, so click a sample orientation that matches your needs, like landscape or portrait. This just ensures your layout is the right fit before you add anything else. Now we'll get text onto the canvas. On the left side, click Text to open the text panel, then click. Add a text to drop a new text box onto your design. Type the words you want to be clickable. Something clear like "learn more" or "the name of your website" works well. Keep it short and descriptive so your audience knows what they're clicking. Next, click Videos in the left panel. This view ensures the top toolbar is visible with the controls you need for linking. Now click the text you just added and look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see a small chain or link icon. Click that to open the link field. Paste or type the URL you want to use. For best results, include the full address with HTTPS/ so Adobe Express recognizes it properly. Double check for typos. Even a missing character can break a link. If you're linking to a page that may change, consider using a short, clean URL for easier maintenance. When you're ready, press Enter to apply the link. Your text is now linked. You can format it, change the color, add underline, or adjust the size to make it look obviously clickable. Consistent styling helps viewers know it's interactive. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Links are interactive in formats like PDFs and web pages. If you export a static image, the link won't be clickable. If you're creating video content, the link won't be clickable within the video itself, so consider pairing it with on-screen text and a caption. Finally, preview your design to ensure the link behaves as expected. That's it. Your hyperlink is added in Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.